Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our learning platform, Learn Forward from Pitara. Today we will do another next chapter of our series and the series name is Songs and Tales. The title of our poem is Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty. Let's see. You have to repeat after me, okay? Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. They both Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. वो क्या हो गए? वॉल से गिर गए. All the king's horses and all the king's men, जितने भी king horses थे और जितने भी king's men थे, couldn't put Humpty together again. They all help, but Humpty को कोई भी together वापस नहीं ले आया क्योंकि वो तो गिर गया था. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king horses, जितने भी किंग हैं हॉर्सेस में, एंड ऑल द किंग्स मैन, जितने भी किंग मैन हैं, couldn't put, they all couldn't put Humpty together again. They all couldn't put Humpty together again. Let's move to the next page. What we see? Activity. What we have to do? We have to look the picture and number them according to the poem. Let's number them. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's men and all the king horses couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty together again. So this is 1. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. This is 2. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. 3rd, all the kings tried but couldn't keep Humpty together again. Okay. After this, we have again an activity. What we have to do? We have to fill the letters according to the poem. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my, tell me. Yes, very good. Mend my shoe. Ringa, ringo. Yes. Very good. Roses. Early to bed and early to tell me. Very good. Rise. Jack and Jill went up to the hill. Tell me. Very good. Rain. Rain, go away, come again another day. Let's move next. Twinkle, twinkle, little, yes, little star. Let's take the multiple questions. Roses are of which color? Very good. Red color. Engine number? Yes, number 9. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Very good. I hope you all like the poem and activity, my dear children. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Happy learning.